What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another koi and pond video. In this one we're going to replace the UV bulb in this Laguna pressure filter. It's a 36 watt. I'll show you that, and then I'm going to end up draining this, taking the small koi out of here, put them in that big pond to grow out, and then this will be my quarantine pond. And or there's 3 koi in here for sale right now on Craigslist. So, all right, let's roll film. Here we go. Before I change the UV bulb, I'm going to do the filter test. So I've had the UV filter turned off since last year. Water's pretty good here. I pushed 1.5 cubic feet per minute of air through the air pump in there. But we're going to go ahead and do a filter test and see if there's dirty water coming out of there. So we basically backwash it. I'm not going to take the thing apart and hose it down. That's useless. You're going to kill the beneficial bacteria that are in there. But again, we just want to make sure it's working and see dirty water coming out. So what I do is pop that container off. I don't leave a hose permanently connected onto it. All right, try this again. I'm gonna push the things up and down. Got hose temporarily hooked on there. I don't care if it leaks a little bit while it's back flushing, but we're gonna go check to see how dirty the water is. There we go, pretty dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and keep on back flushing it till see clear water coming out of there. All right, good to go, good to go. All right, next step, we're gonna go turn everything off. Gonna take a Phillips, unscrew that, and this is the box that the UV filter 36 watt came off of. I'll put up on the screen, got it off of Amazon. We're gonna go ahead and try to replace that bulb here now. Here's what the new bulb looks like coming out of the box. You can see it's 4-prong, and after you screw the 4 screws out, and then there's another screw right there, you got to screw that out, then you're able to twist that off right there. All right, you gently just pull this glass sleeve out from the glass right there, and then we're going to go ahead and pop that out, put a new one in. All right, filter's all popped back into place. Now I pulled my pump out and it's all dirty, and got a lot of the water dirty here pushing this in and out. So my strategy now is I'm gonna sump pump out the separate sump pump. Could use the backwash if you wanted to. Blow it into here, hoping that the water's not too dirty, and then I'm draining it, filling up 2 new buckets of clean water just to try to get this going a little faster here. All right, I hosed this out, pumping the clean water back in. Always nice having these extra buckets here for capacity. The 3 fish I'm selling are in that one. Gotta try to hurry up and get them back in because I don't have a pump running on that one right now. Alright, that concludes my video on how to change a 36 watt UV bulb on a Laguna Pressure filter. Very easy to change the bulb. Would I purchase this unit again? Very cost effective. It cleans the water. I mean, I think I've used that bulb for 2 years and the water was crystal clear. The only downside, again, in some of my previous videos, go back in my Coin Pond playlist, is the nozzles on the thing are not very good. So it's always hard to get a tight fit on the end without getting leaks on it if you're running an 1.5-inch hose. So other than that, very good unit. So all right, any questions, comment down below. Have a good one.